Hi guys, welcome to the LTT Global Communications tutorial video 1. Today we'll be putting our focus on the study tools area. As always, go to ltt.com, sign in, scroll to the bottom and we'll find ourselves at the study tools area. In the study tools area, it'll be divided into 4 categories: spelling, pronunciating, reference material in terms of the encyclopedia, and the dictionary. Let's try spelling first. All you have to do is click on spelling and you end up at spellingcity.com. Spellingcity.com is a fun area to learn spelling, as all the games will use the words you want to learn, thus enforcing the spelling of the words in your memory. It is ideal for adults and children who like to improve their spelling, and they can learn as many words as they like on a daily basis. This site will teach you how to spell and give a sample sentence for the word you like to learn to spell, and then you can play a game before you take the test. For example, if I were to enter 5 words, let's try fight and laugh, joke, learn, and play. What I can do is ask them to teach me how to spell these words. You click on teach me. You end up at this page. And what you do is you click here to start.
Fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. They will fight over the book. Fight.
It would actually spell it out for you, pronunciate, as well as give it to you in a sentence. If you try another word.
Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. A laugh is a funny sound. Laugh.
Let's try another word.
Joke. J-O-K-E. Joke. The joke was on him. Joke.
What's good about this site is that you can actually take those same words after learning them, click on test me. What it will do is actually prepare a list.
Get ready for the test. Don't peek at your list. Begin.
What it will do is actually prepare a test for you. So, for example, you click say it.
Fight.
It will give you the first word that you entered earlier. You can even click it on sentence and it will give it to you in a sentence.
They will fight over the book.
And you can enter it. F-I-G-H-T, fight.
Laugh.
L-A-U-G-H.
Joke.
J-O-K-E.
Learn.
Learn, L-E-A-R-N.
Play.
Play, P-L-A-Y. And you just click on check me to see your results. And it will give you your results right here, 100% correct. What's really cool about this site is that you can click on this nice little part here. It's called play a game. And if you click on it, you would end up on this site where you can choose many different kind of games. For example, if you were to click on words, let's try match it. And you click on the instructions.
Match the choices by connecting the words to the best sentences.
As you can see, all your 5 words that you put out in the list early on are available to be played in the game. So for example, she set out to what, cook. Perhaps if I put learn and this, she set out to learn to cook, and then the joke was on him. A laugh is a funny sound. They will fight over the book. I like to play with my baby sister. And you click on submit and they will give you a result. You can choose to play again or you can play another game. The second part of the study tools area would be the pronunciation part. What you do is you click on the pronunciation part and you end up with this site, say.expressivo.com. What it is you can type a word or a sentence and it would pronounce, and thus the learner can repeat as many times as they like to perfect their pronunciation skills. Let's give an example. Today is a good day. And I could choose what kind of voice I would like. It's already on Jennifer, so let's try Jennifer. Click read now.
Today is a good day.
It will give you the exact pronunciation of the word or sentence.
Today is a good day.
If I were to just use one word and click on it,
Today.
it will just give me the pronunciation for one single word.